right now it's sweat like hell. Checks under the bed, then opens the dresser. He looks at the
opened the dresser.
I pull out my Beretta. He walks up to the closet. Get closer to the closet. Now he's at the closet. Now he's opening the closet.
Closet rhymes with closet 4 times. True story. Closet rhymes with closet. Remember that. If you're writing a poem or a song and got the word closet, just put closet at the next bar. It'll fit. Promise. Loving you, loving. Look, this chick is ruzzling while she driving. Ruzzling while she driving. Can't believe her. Stop ruzzling. Negro. Ruzzling and driving. Where's that? Oh, baby, no. Nothing there you.
Taking notes off my keyboard. What you bothering me for? There's a room full of ninjas. What you following me for? Sing along.
Sing along.
So do what you